So here you can see on my screen, right, promoting high ticket affiliate offers on ClickBank. So one of the things that I want to mention, if you want to get results with high ticket affiliate marketing in 2026 and get similar results, you have to understand there is a different way, the new way of doing affiliate marketing in 2026. Because all you have to do is you have to connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call and help you get up and running. Okay, because we have curiosity clickers, and on the other side we have buyers clicks. So the money, it's in the buyers list, buyers clicks. Okay, people who are buyers, who are actually there to buy, they go on Google ads, on the Google search, they look for the solutions to their pains and problems. All right, so that's why we can get these kind of results, because we understand psychology of marketing on a deeper psychological emotional level. Okay, yes, you can get these kind of results, 100, 500, even $1,000 days in 2026, but you do need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. So as you can see over here, right, yes, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram. Okay, this is my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my email, my Facebook Messenger. You can email me, send me a DM, okay, but only if you're serious. If you seriously want results in 2026, as you can see here, right, over the Zoom call with one of my clients and students, we get it done one-on-one. She's from Spain, so from Europe. English is her second language, and she was able to get it done. Another one, as you can see over here, right, now, right, if we can identify the problem, of course, we can also fix the problem. Simple as that. But we have to get it done one-on-one together, okay? Because the real problem is that you don't have the proven system that will allow you to start having serious results in 2026. All right, as you can see with Google pay-per-click ads, okay, $25 a day promoting ClickBank product that's paying at least $250 per sale, and then have the great upsell take rate on the back end. You make all the commissions, and you can see with 250 sales plus $1,000 upsell, you can make $1,250 per sale with high ticket affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay, so you don't have to do any sales calls, you don't have to do video calls or be on any camera. No, behind the scenes running Google ads with buyers clicks, buyers traffic rotator, and you can have results. Okay, because the difference is they are curiosity clickers. Okay, curiosity clickers are time wasters, money wasters, and then we have buyers clicks. Buyers clicks meaning people who have buyers intent. You have the right message to the market match, then my friend, yes, you can get sales. Yes, you can get results in 2026 as a beginner. But you do need to have someone who can help you just like that over here on the calls, right? So you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram. Yes, I traveled to over 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to being super affiliate for many years right now, doing this full time, being in the trenches, actually putting into action and building scalable campaigns and online business in 2026.